northern Kentucky and southwest Ohio. Around well for the winter storm watch from Thursday evening through Friday afternoon. For the winds to watch from late Thursday night through Friday afternoon. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute.
What for the winter storm watch? Combination of snow, blowing snow, and wind possible. Total snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches possible. Winds could gust as high as 40 miles an hour. For the wind to watch, dangerously cold wind chills possible. Wind chills as low as 25 below zero. Where portions of southeast Indiana, northern Kentucky, and southwest Ohio. When for the winter storm watch, from Thursday evening through Friday afternoon. For the wind to watch, from late Thursday night through Friday afternoon. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. The cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Additional details. Temperatures will drop sharply in a matter of a few hours during Thursday night, rapidly falling well below freezing, leading to the potential for a flash freeze. This will cause travel conditions to rapidly deteriorate. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Wind chill watch in effect from late Thursday night through Friday afternoon.